Good morning, everyone. Today we will complete our exercise. These are very important question class. You have to see again and again, and you have to do it by yourself. I am giving you the solution, but you still try and do yourself. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. It is quite obvious class. If speed will be more, it will take less time. So that concept we have to use. So first of all we will have to consider the speed of the train. As the distance cover is given 360, so time taken will be equals to 360 upon x. Now the question is, when the speed is increased by 5, that is x plus 5, you can see here x plus 5, and time will be reduced by 1. Time is how much? This is the time now. So speed into time is equals to distance, and distance is fixed, that is 360. Now class, now simply we have to solve for it. Multiplication, here they have done multiplication and they have got this. After that LCM and all, you will get this, and finally we have to do splitting middle term, or completing the square, or using the quadratic formula. Whenever you unable to find the splitting middle term, this unable to find, then use quadratic formula in that case. So after that, finally we have got two answers, that is 40 and minus 45. Minus 45 cannot be a speed, so it will be 40. So finally answer is 40. That's all class. Now next is also very important question, and different also from all other question you have done till now in linear equation and in quadratic equation. This question is quite different. Two water taps together can fill, this is the time taken by two taps to fill a tank, means one tank. Then condition is given, the tap of larger diameter takes 10 or less than the smaller one. There are two taps मीन्स नल के, एक का डायमीटर बड़ा है और एक का डायमीटर छोटा है. जो बड़ा डायमीटर वाला है, इट विल टेक 10 आवर लेस देन द छोटा वाला, ओके, द स्मॉल वन. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द टाइम टेकन in which each tap can separately fill. Agar it will take separately, how much time it will take, and the larger one, how much time it will take. So that we have to do. So class, first of all we will consider, let the time taken by the smaller tap to fill the tank, means one tank, is x. Then time taken by the large tap will be this much. So the part of the tank, this is quite different question, part of the tank filled by the small pipe, this is whole time taken, this is the complete time taken, and we have to find out in 1 hour how much it will fill. So it will be 1 upon x. Similarly for the large one, it will be 1 upon x minus 10. Now together they can fill. Now it is given that together it can fill by this, so that is 75 upon 8 hours by both the pipe together. Therefore what will be the, means we have together, iska or iska sum will is equals to 1 upon this 75 upon 8. So 1 upon 75 upon 8 means 8 will come there, 1 upon 75 upon 8, this 8 will go here, and finally we have to take LCM, then solution that you all know. Finally we have got two answer. One is this, another is this. This is x and this is also x. If we take this as x, then small tab it is okay, it is 30 upon 8, but the large tab it is x minus 10, that is 1 minus x 30 upon 8 minus 10, it is a negative value, so it is not possible logically. So answer is, your answer is 25, not 30 upon 8. So finally, if x is equals to, that is small tab is taking 25 hours, then the large tab will take 15 hours. That's the thing. That's all class. You see this video again and again, then only you will understand this concept. Way of writing is also different. You can see that different way of writing, time taken, then part of the tank. So in this way only you have to write. There is no other way to solve this question. Now this is same as that train 1 question. Now read this question properly. An express train take 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 kilometer. Both are traveling with the 132 kilometer. They have to travel. Now if the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometer more than the passenger train, find the average speed of two trains. Now see the solution. As it is given, speed of the express train is 11 more than the passenger train. So first of all we will consider this passenger train, then this will be 11, x plus 11. Now according to the condition, now time taken by the passenger train is this and time taken by the express train is this, and passenger take 1 hour more than, or you can say express train take 1 hour less than the passenger train. So time taken by passenger train, time taken by express train means T1 minus T2 results 1. After that we have to do the simple solution. They have taken 132 common, then they have taken LCM. You can take directly, you can take LCM also, but it will be longer, so they have done like this. After that the simple solutions is going on. Finally we have got two answers. One is 44, minus 44 and 33. Again minus 44 cannot be a answer. It cannot be answer because it is about the speed. Speed cannot be negative. So 33 is the answer. So speed of this is the passenger train and this is the express train. Now this is also another different question. Sum of the areas of two square is 468 meter square. Difference of their parameter. Two squares. You know the parameter of square is 4 into side. Now here we will take 2. Let the side of one square is this, another is this. So perimeter is this and this, and the difference is 24. This is the first condition. From here we will get the value of x. After that they have given the square of their area. If x is the side, then area is x square. If y is the side, then area is y square. So x square plus y square is equals to 468. Now finally we have to simply do the solution. We have to simply do the solution, and at last we are getting again 18 and 12. So again side cannot be negative, so 12 is the answer. In maximum questions you will find positive as an answer, but there are some questions in which negative can also be answer. We have done that. Now finally the side of the square is 12 and 18. That's all, class. So class, you complete these questions, and last exercise left that we will do.